What's up? Welcome back for another Sportster update. And this one, we're going to be chucking some Sporty Mob parts on. Quick shout out to Sporty Mob for the free hat and sticker. Really sick foot pegs. They're nice and powder coated, CNC milled. Looks really good, really light compared to what I have on there right now, which are the TC Bro pegs that came in their kit. But I'm pretty pumped on having these on there. Plus it's knurled, so it's just tons of good grip. Especially I love the way the lightning bolt looks. The points cover, which will look great. And then I also got these little caps. Start with something easy. Let's go ahead and get these off. Little update on this front wheel as well, as I have the cover for it and everything, but I want to get everything powder coated and nice here soon, so I'm just kind of holding off on that for now. Also, we got the matching rear wheel right here, so we'll get them both powder coated and matched, and it'll look pretty sick. Alright, so let's swap out this old foot peg for this new one. I'm pretty pumped for the difference. First of all, it's lighter, which don't really matter too much other than maybe structurally how strong it is, but this thing's made pretty strong, and it's billet, it's all solid, so it still feels pretty good even with how light it is. So let's go ahead and get them swapped out. 732 wrench and a 9/16 wrench. And those are the Sporty Mob foot pegs installed. I'm pretty happy with these because it really evens out the pressure on your foot. The other foot pegs I had, the low brows that come with this kit for the mid controls, put all the pressure in one center spot on your foot. This gives you the same pressure this way, but it also spreads it out way more this way, which is a lot more comfortable, stable. Plus, the knurl is nowhere near as aggressive as it is on this, so this has a lot more traction. Again, I feel a lot more stable with these. They're nice. I'm happy. Yeah, also, you have these little set screws. Make sure you put some Loctite and tighten those down, and other than that, you're good to go. I made sure to miss the little guiding hole for getting everything aligned for your axle as well. That is the timing cover installed. I'm pretty happy with this. I did have to get a longer screw. It's an 832 screw, and it is 3/4 inch long. The other screws don't even get but a couple threads in, so it doesn't feel stable. It feels like, honestly, I'd get down the road and this cover will fall off. With these 3/4 screws, they bottom out like they should, because as you've seen a second ago, I stole the screws from the other timing cover that's underneath this one, but it ends up coming out pretty well. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so that is the build. I'm priding myself on more of a practical build. There is some aesthetic mods on the bike, the air cleaner cover, the timing cover, the seat, the fairing, but some of those things still have practical uses, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm trying to keep it pretty simple. Even the headlight and taillight, they were a little expensive, but they're still practical. They're bright, they're slimline, they're also very easy in keeping all the wiring pretty much together, so I'm pretty happy with all that. We have some things in the works for the future. We've got some parts on the table that we'll be throwing in at some point down the road. So stay tuned. There's still more to go on this. I'm still every day thinking how I can improve my bike, because I'm pretty happy with it. We're going to get it to where it's at, and eventually we'll probably pull things apart and maybe paint it and see where we go with that. So with that said, thank you for making it to the end of the video. Please give us a like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And I'll keep trucking along and putting out videos. So see you guys in the next one.